afternoon. So, I just want to start my makeup routine. So, this is my loose powder. I use this loose powder. I'm watching GMA right now. So, nanonood ako ng TV. So, update on my work. I got my I have my salary and it's not right now, so they will gonna send me sooner. Yeah. Soon, but not now. So I'm a customer care representative and I'm a product seller of Lazada, Shopee, and Zalora. Yeah. It's I niche again for foundation press powder. So right now I'm applying for another job. So it's like a call center and work from home. And I'm trying some online, like local online gaming and yeah, another racket naman. So I'm so white. I have got a lot of pimples. That's why I'm using powder. That's why I'm using powder to look fresh and to become more presentable. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Next is I'm gonna use this Nichido and what else? Got this Nichido. I only wish for one thing. To know all of you. Nichido, it's a makeup collection. Oh my god. Okay. No, it's hard if I lose one of my makeup kit and makeup stuff and somebody got it. So sad but true. So I'm gonna use my hands instead. That was quite a long time ago already. So somebody got it. So sad. And I use my hands for applying fondant. Applying for my blush on, so to cover up my. Next is this. What I'm using is this brighter, and I'm gonna use next is I'll try what, what color is good. I'll try this. Let's try this. So let's try. god, I cricket. I pick it. I poke. This is nice. This is cream and white. Cream, light white color. It's not white, but it's more on cream. Yeah. Alright. Next is what I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this or this. Alright. This is like rosy pink. So I'm gonna apply it here. Just a little. Just a little amount because right, it's nice now. The other one. Alright, so got a little. Alright, so yeah. And what's next? Just that, like that for the beginner. No, I just usually do this and not much. And like I can do 3 layers, but I prefer two. I prefer 2 layers because I'm gonna do my contour here, my um eyebrow contour. So let's first do this. Use this white. Let's first use this white and do this. Alright, no. I'm sorry. Just like that. So just simple amount. Ample amount. So let me do this now. Just for sharpening the nose. And this, I got brown color. So the other one, let's do this part. Alright, so yeah. So I get a little contour. Yeah. And after applying this, let me close this. Let's have some lipstick. So this is what I use. So lipstick. Where is it? This one. So its color is sweet berry. Sweet berry. And yeah, so it's a reddish pink. Reddish pink. So live next time. So yeah, that's the result. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you like it. You like my makeup. So I got the result. So pretty. See that? The lighter one at the side. So it has pinkish color at the side. Half moon. So I love the color, guys. So I like it. So thanks for watching for my makeup routine. So yeah, next time I will. Till next time. Thank you guys. Bye for watching. Thank you.